Disable startup apps. Every time you turn on your laptop, Windows starts several programs automatically. Apps like Discord, Spotify, Steam, Microsoft Teams, and Adobe Creative Cloud can all launch before you even open them. This means they're already using your processor, memory, and storage, making your laptop feel slow right from the start. To fix this, go to Settings, then Apps, then Startup, and turn off any apps you don't need to launch automatically. Your laptop should boot faster and be ready to use much sooner. Change power mode. Windows is designed to balance performance with battery life. If you're using your laptop while it's plugged into the charger, you can switch to best performance mode to give your processor more power. Open Settings, go to System, then Power and Battery, and change the power mode to best performance. This is especially helpful when gaming, editing videos, or using demanding software. Adjust appearance. Windows 11 includes animations, shadows, and transparency effects to make the interface look modern. While these effects look nice, they also use extra system resources, especially on older laptops. Search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, then choose Adjust for best performance. If you want, you can re-enable smooth fonts so text still looks sharp. This small change can make Windows feel more responsive. Free up storage. Your laptop needs free storage space to work efficiently. Windows constantly creates temporary files, downloads updates, and uses storage as virtual memory. If your drive is almost full, performance can suffer. Try to keep at least 15 to 20% of your storage free. Delete files you no longer need, uninstall unused programs, and empty the recycle bin. A cleaner drive helps Windows run more smoothly. Enable Storage Sense. Instead of manually cleaning your computer every month, let Windows do it automatically. Storage Sense removes temporary files, empties the recycle bin, and deletes unnecessary files based on your settings. Open Settings, go to System, then Storage, and enable Storage Sense. It's an easy way to keep your laptop clean without any extra effort. Remove softwares. Over time, we all install programs that we eventually stop using. Some of these applications continue running in the background or check for updates every time you start your computer. Open Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps, and uninstall anything you no longer need. Removing unnecessary software frees up storage and reduces background activity. Scan for malware. Malware doesn't always announce itself. Some malicious programs quietly run in the background, using your processor, memory, or internet connection without your knowledge. Open Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection, and run a full scan. It's free, built into Windows, and can help remove hidden software that's slowing down your computer. Update Windows. Keeping Windows updated isn't just about security. Updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and better compatibility with newer software and hardware. Open Settings, then Windows Update, and install any available updates. After the installation is complete, restart your laptop to apply the changes. Restart your laptop regularly. Many people simply close the lid when they're finished using their laptop, leaving Windows running for days or even weeks. Restarting is different because it clears memory, closes background processes, and gives Windows a fresh start. Check Task Manager. Before trying random fixes, find out what's actually slowing your laptop down. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look for programs using a lot of CPU, memory, or disk activity. If one application is using far more resources than expected, you've probably found the cause of the slowdown. Fixing the real problem is always better than guessing.